Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to chat on Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, chatting is simple once you've reached the right level. First, make sure your account or watchtower is leveled up enough to unlock the chat features. Start by joining or creating an alliance, then customize your player name to be displayed in chats. Once set, you can use the alliance chat to communicate with your team, coordinate strategies, and send greetings. For broader interactions, the World Chat becomes available, letting you connect with players globally. You can also engage in private chats with specific friends for one on one conversations. The key is unlocking the world map or joining an alliance. Once that's done, chatting and coordinating in Dark War Survival becomes seamless and fun. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.